Hello, I just wanted to do a quick review for you guys on my favorite curling iron, the Beachwaver S1. I've had this thing for about half a year now and I love it. It makes my curling time so much faster. This is definitely the best curling iron I've ever used. So let's get started. They make it in multiple sizes. They make it in a 0.75, a 1 inch, and then a 1 1/4 inch. I use the 1 inch. I would really like to get the 1 1/4 inch. So the first thing I'm going to do is just section my hair. All that I have in it right now is just some dry shampoo. Okay, so I split my hair in 2 sections. I'll show you real quick how it works. So this clamp right here is on the outside. It has a temperature control, setting right here that you can see. And then it has a home button and then 2 arrows. So I love how it's a rotating barrel like this. Yeah, so let's get started. So I'm going to start on this side right here. I'm just going to do my hair in a couple of sections. So you always want to place the clamp in front of your hair. And then you just hit the button, rolls it up. And then you just let the clamp go and pull it out. See, that was so easy. And I try to leave the ends of my hair out just to kind of give the ends a more natural look. There we go. You see how fast this is going. Alright, so I've already done that side of my head. And also I have the curling iron set on 370. That's about my normal. Okay, so the bottom section is done. Alright, so now to do the top section, I'm just going to take my hair, kind of part it down the middle in the back, and then just pull it forward, just so I can see all of the hair in the back. For the top section, I'm just going to run the brush through it, just because I've got a lot of tangles. Okay. Alright, and you're just going to do the same thing. Actually, I think I'm just going to do one big section right here. And then you just hit the home button to make it go back around. Alright, you see how easy that is? Okay. Alright, just a couple more sections. Just gonna do a couple more sections right here. So I bought my Beachwaver from Ulta. Target now sells these as well, and you can also buy them on the Beachwaver website. If you buy them from the Beachwaver website, I actually have a discount code for 10% off. So if you're interested, leave me a message in the comments and let me know, and I will get you that code. last two sections. So if you're interested in this curling iron, if you've been thinking about getting it and you're on the fence as to whether or not it's worth it, I highly recommend it. It is expensive. It runs around $130, but it is such a high quality curling iron though. It's worth every penny. And just the time that it saves. Okay. Alright, so you can see I curled my whole head. That was really, really fast. I don't like my curls as tight though, so I'm going to go ahead and run my fingers through them just so that they don't set so tight. Another thing that affects how tight or loose your curls are is the heat setting that you have on the iron and the size of the iron that you use. That's why I really kind of want to get the 1.25 just so I can get a little bit bigger curls. But if you have the heat setting turned down as well and don't have it up so high, it also will give you a little bit looser curls. Alright, so I've shaken it out. Now I am just going to run some texturizing hairspray in it. Ooh. Just kind of run my fingers through and mess it up one more time. Alright, there you have it. Easy curls using the Beachwaver S1. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave me some comments below. Let me know what you thought. Give this video a like. If you haven't yet, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also find me on Instagram at Lauren Loves Dry Shampoo. Thanks for watching.